with our discussions about leadership. So the type of organizations that we have is the public organizations. For example, government goals of this organization is service. They are service-oriented organization. They provide services to their constituents, like providing basic services like collecting of garbage, improving the canals, the drainage system, so that there will be no flooding during rainy season. Okay. Hang on. Okay. So they are serving their constituent in terms of any public service like health clinic. They provide health clinic for the health of the constituents, the customers. They provide security. They provide traffic order. So they get people working on the traffic situations, and many other engineering also aspect of the improvement of the city or the municipality. So this is the kind of organization that they are providing services, and they must be good in providing all these services, because this is the expectation of the constituency expectations of the leaders of the government sectors. And private organizations, product companies, they manufacture products. It could be hardware, it could be software, it could be food, beverage, and other things, different stuff. Okay. They are product companies, and there are also service companies. They provide service. Okay, they provide product at the same time they provide service, like the telecommunications. They provide products and services, and bunch of their responsibility is providing services. Goal of this organization is profit. This is all profit. Unlike the government, this government is they have to show that they have the capability to provide excellent service to the people. That's the goal of the public organizations. But when it comes to private organizations, all they're after is the